Caroline County is located on the eastern part of the Commonwealth of Virginia. The northern boundary of the county borders on the Rappahannock River, notably at the historic town of Port Royal. The Caroline County seat is Bowling Green. Caroline County was established in 1728 and was named in honor of Caroline of Ansbach, wife of the then reigning King, George II of Great Britain. It is the birthplace of the renowned racehorse Secretariat, winner of the 1973 Kentucky Derby, Preakness Stakes and Belmont Stakes. The Triple Crown.